So this is one of the very first designs that I created, from what I can remember, right? I specifically made this design for a shirt, so that's exactly what I put it on. You guys can see all the paint marks. I wore the mess out of this shirt. I've had this original shirt for I don't know how long, but years and years. And I will also show you guys a video of me painting this exact shirt. From the original design, I started working on it so I could sell them. I think this is a lot better. Still some imperfections, but if you look at this M compared to this M, you see the improvement. So at this point, we have 1, 2, and 3 imperfections, and I kept trying. By the way, this is one of the test shirts. From these, I decided to try a different method. Direct to garment printing. Now, this shirt is very old. However, this was the best that we could do at the time. It's beginning to fade though. As you can see, the red on that compared to the red of the original. But we made it work. And we even made this too, by the way. Pretty cool. Now that I have this bad boy right here, y'all know I want to put it on a shirt and improve it even more. So I did a test stitch on a piece of stabilizer. Wish me luck. I'm getting ready to embroider my very first shirt on the machine. And I mean directly onto the shirt. Here we go. We got our stabilizer. Everything looks flat. Just how I designed it. It's coming along. Just gotta cut those threads. We adding the color to it. So far, placement is right on the money. Look at it though. I'm doing exactly what the shirt say right now. Making myself proud, my guy. Hope y'all proud of me too. If you is, hit that thumbs up button. Check out the results of our very first full shirt size stitch out. It's not a left chest logo. It's not a patch. So let's go ahead and take it out the hoop. Make sure and pray that it's centered and it looks good on. It's not crooked at all. It looks to be pretty good. I'll zoom in, show you guys a close up. Fully embroidered. Might have to put this design on a hat. Would y'all buy one? If y'all would, make sure y'all go to the website, neverdenieme.com. So if you guys are proud of anything that you guys are doing in your life, just like I'm proud of myself for even successfully doing this shirt. This is the first time I've ever embroidered, well, I guess I've embroidered a shirt before, but a full design, not no little design or adhering a patch or nothing to a shirt. This is the very first time I've done it. So I'm very happy and excited that it was one of my own designs that I got to do this on. So again, make yourself proud. If you guys like what you guys seen, hit the thumbs up button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with somebody. And hopefully you guys shop with me. Peace.